Hello, and you're watching the Workshop Insider channel. Today you'll see some amazing tips and tricks of the true craftsman that really work. With the help of a handsaw, you can easily make a much more convenient sandpaper, which reaches even the most difficult places and corners. And there is a more convenient and reliable way to bend and unbend nails. Now, with the help of a plank and magnets, you can easily saw wood and not be afraid that you'll make a mistake. So are you gonna pour some paint? Take your time. First, make a convenient funnel of Scotch tape, and now the edges of your jar are always clean. And how do you like this way to pull out a stud cork? With a simple trick, you can easily measure the thickness of your wire. Now, if you want to drill a small hole, the wire will be much easier to wind on the coil. But that's not all. If you take a bucket and attach wheels, as well as add a socket, then you'll get a very convenient homemade extension cord. The following trick will definitely appeal to you if you like to work with wood. Don't worry, it seems complicated only at the first glance, but you can easily repeat after me. Just pause the video or rewind to the desired fragment. And while you're trying to repeat, write us in the comments below what you like the most and what tips and tricks you know yourself. Well, always don't forget to press like and subscribe to this channel. See you next video. Bye!